Cuck! Cuck, are you okay?
Oh, yeah. Just got lost for a second. What was the question? Peacock?
No problem, Cuck. I'm glad you're back. Did you have a bird flu outbreak on your farm?
Yeah, we did. Few of my friends got hit. Peacock?
Wow, I'm so sorry to hear. What symptoms did your bird friends show when they got the flu?
Well, Flacco started turning purple and stopped eating. And Pollet, she started laying malformed eggs and had diarrhea. And Broiler, well, he was coughing a bunch and was walking into things. And my Henny, she just died.
I'm so sorry for your loss, Cuck. What do farmers do when, Hey, Cuck, we can turn the cameras off if you don't want to keep going.
No, Henny will want me to keep going. Peacock?
What do farmers do when bird...